use any like special like apps or equipment or programs for editing that you can maybe somebody wanted to do it, you know, a first time thing? What would you suggest?
I still edit on my phone. I use CapCut, which is like the TikTok recommended editing app. Yeah, but I know a lot of people that use iMovie, surprisingly.
Never heard of that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think, yeah, because, like, you know, years ago, people were like, you know, like, you need the top of the line shit. And nowadays, you don't, like, you could do everything on your iPhone. All the fucking, like, there's so many software that's either for your phone or computer that's, like, you know, real basic or simple, but it's good.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, I think people, like,
Surprisingly.
they get worried, like, you know, like, oh, shit, I need to fucking get, you know, what is that, After Effects and all this shit.
Yeah.
And you don't. You could do that shit on your phone. Because I've seen your fucking videos. Like, they are high quality.
Yeah, well, I find a lot of it's like lighting. If you have good lighting, then it bypasses you through a lot. Yeah.
So you got it. But, yeah, then you also have to know about lighting.
Yeah.
You know, because... Yeah.
Yep. And that's where the YouTube tutorial comes in, you know?
The other thing, though, is you can learn, like, everything off of YouTube. Especially nowadays, like, everything. So
That's how I live my life. I don't know how to do something, I look it up, and then I'm good.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Exactly.